Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
These cedars stood for centuries, silent, strong, untouchable. But today, they bow to the hands of a man born for this craft. Every move he makes is deliberate, calm, precise. This isn't just logging, it's a ritual of control and respect. And when these giants fall, they don't just crash, they echo. Just wear and tear, it's brute force, taken too far. Multiple axles gone, steel bent like paper. When machines scream, it's because the job is too damn heavy. Even machines get tired. Just like us, this log truck has its limits. Day after day, it hauls, climbs, fights gravity with every load, but it doesn't quit. Because just like the men who drive it, it was built to endure.
Oh, that's where it gets tough. You've got to bear in mind this is recorded in Cornwall, so we've got to have a crib now, so the boss. There's the boss and the crib we're having.
Machine. No crew, no sweat. It strips the bark, sizes the log, and slices it clean, like clockwork. What once took a whole team of men, now done by steel and software. This isn't the future. This is now. That's no ordinary truck. It's powered by a Cat 3406, and it's conquering the mountain like a beast. Look at it climb, hauling a mountain of logs on its back. Pure power, pure control. This isn't just trucking, it's dominance. KT-81. This isn't just a skidder, it's a wild beast. It roars through the forest like it wants to drag the whole mountain with it. Tree after tree, load after load, and it keeps coming. There's power, and then there's this. Even the forest knows not to mess with the LKT-81. This man, he's fearless, climbing to the very tip of a towering giant just to make the perfect cut. One wrong move and it's over, but he moves like he was born up there. High above the forest floor, he meets danger head-on and wins. Our lumberjack stands undaunted by the forces of nature. With time-tested techniques, he brings giants to their knees. Logistics, once an overwhelming challenge, is now tamed by modern machines. A true testament to human ingenuity and adaptation. Your backyard logging job. This is the Alps. Insane inclines, crushing weight, and corners so sharp they bite. That giant root, it's holding on for dear life. But the machine doesn't care. It's here to conquer. Steel versus stone. Grip tight. This is raw logging at its most extreme. A 4 against 1 is never fair. And today, the tree didn't stand a chance. 4 machines, 1 purpose, ripped that giant root from the earth. No hesitation, no mercy. It didn't just move, it exploded from the ground. When steel unites, even giants fall.
Tight.
Video amazed you, leave a comment below. Your support fuels our creativity and drives us to bring you even more. Thank you for being part of this journey. Day, it took the whole village to clear the bushes and trees. Now, just one Cat 305 CCR does it all. Sit back at home and watch the magic happen. We all want to leave behind a better world for the generations to come. The Risot TK 200 makes that possible. Every tree planted by this machine is a step toward a healthier planet. Feel good about the impact you're making. With surgical precision, this excavator gives the Stump no chance. No struggle, no chaos, just a clean lift, swift and silent. A quiet show of dominance where steel meets root. It doesn't just move timber, it moves the industry forward. The John Deere 2954D, driven by a 271 horsepower precision engine, armed with Timbermatic automation, built with UST structural resilience. Less fatigue, more output. The numbers don't lie. This is forestry, reimagined. If this video left you in awe, leave us a comment below. Your support fuels our passion and drives our creativity forward. Even machines need brotherhood. One stuck in the mud, the other stands behind, ready to lift, to pull, to carry. Just like we say, when one falls, the other lifts. Steel helping steel. That's how the job gets done.
Your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.
pinakalo.
Pinakalo.
Wow! Mantap lah.